Hello, barbecue friends. Today our show is very special. I'm here today with Ricardo Corbuchi. He's a real glutton, the kind of brother-in-law nobody wants to have at home. Corbuchi, welcome to our show.
Thank you for the invitation.
It's a pleasure to have you here with us. Ricardo Corbuchi has a channel called Kbuchi Eats. He eats everything. The man eats sandwiches, pizza, rice, beans. But today, here's the deal. I'm going to make a barbecue for 10 people. And I want to see if this guy can eat all that barbecue. Check out the video. Do you like picanha?
A lot.
Tuscan sausage?
That too.
Chicken?
That too.
Hamburger?
Everything.
You like everything?
Yes, especially when it's barbecue and the meat is well made. Juicy, delicious, there's no way to say no.
I've got almost 4 kilos of meat here. Do you think you can handle eating all of that?
Absolutely. That's my job.
But before we start, I want to give you a very special gift. It's from our great partner, Stark. It's a knife. This knife here is for you to take care of your barbecue. Look at that. It's all yours. How beautiful. Can I take it out? You can? There you go, enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
I'll set it right over here. If you leave, you take it with you. If you're not subscribed to the Churrasquera channel, subscribe. And if you have a sister-in-law, mother-in-law, or a big eater, subscribe to the Kbuchi Eats channel.
Kbuchi Eats. Wonder. Food challenges?
But let me ask you something. Before I start grilling the meats, you have an athletic body. You are known as a food athlete. I challenge that to myself. How does it work?
So even before I had my channel, I practiced physical activity. I was fat, I lost weight, and fell in love with physical activity. And then I discovered that I could really eat a lot. So I ended up combining the two things precisely so I could stay in shape and eat more. Because one thing ends up helping the other.
A curiosity. You are a pioneer here in Brazil in this segment because there is a competition. In fact, you're even going to participate in the World Championship. Yeah, the Hot Dog Championship.
Hot Dog Championship.
What do they call it again? Nathan's Hot Dog? In the United States, it's been around for over 100 years. The Hot Dog and Championship have been around for over 20 years.
Over 20 years? The championship.
The championship.
Who eats the most hot dogs?
Whoever eats the most hot dogs in 10 minutes wins the prize. The prize is $10,000 for first place.
Let's root for this guy to bring those $10,000 back here. I'm really going to be rooting for you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's head to the grill. I'm going to start barbecuing the meat, like I always say.
Let's go. I'm hungry.
Let's go. I'm hungry.
Hey there, man.
I'm already here at the grill. The meat is sizzling. I want to take this opportunity to thank Victor from the Del Carme backyard here in Santo André, Sao Paulo, where I'm having this barbecue for Corbuchi. I'll start here. Barbecuing a nice picanha with a good layer of fat. Oh. Helper and a delicious strip steak. Let's start with these two. I truly want to see if this individual is really good at eating, and it certainly won't just be picanha and strip steak. No, I'm going to make some delicious Tuscan sausage, tender chicken thighs, and succulent Chester breast. I'm going to stuff this guy. Let's go watch him eat. I've already got the first batch of meat ready because I'm going to stuff this guy today. I just want to see. Corbuchi, but before we get started to whet your appetite, over there I have my ox foot, but here I have something very special. Gouveia Brazil, this is a gift for you. It's a cachaça for us to toast and get our appetite going. To your health. Cheers. Go ahead, enjoy. This one is nothing, it's the good stuff. That one's yours, you're taking it with you. And we're going to open the scan to whet your appetite. And I'm going to get the first shipment.
Want to see?
You
digestives.
Charo, look at this. Oh, warm.
And how many are there here? What do you already have?
2 kilos a little, I've got it there. I won't even eat, they'll just stay here watching you.
What's that I want?
To see. You had a really tough challenge with brisket, right? With brisket. What happened?
It was a little different from the brisket I had at Fazaniza's. The first, at Fazaniza's it's different.
From ours.
It was like this. I think it needed to stay a bit longer in the steam. Ah, okay.
So I suffered.
A little bit exactly because of the chewiness since it was really thick.
And
It could have been a bit juicier, but it tasted good.
it was good. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Where are you going to start?
I think with the chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. This
Is Chester breast.
Chester breast? Yeah. I'm not going to start with the Chester breast then. Look.
Can we?
Can I take the whole thing?
Oh, what is this? Look.
Just look.
Just kidding.
Look at this, guys. Look, it's falling apart, right? Really tasty.
Is it good?
It's great.
I'm jealous of you.
It's well seasoned. Try it too.
I'm gonna get back at you for this, you know? I'm gonna get back at you. I'm gonna get back at you. Tell me something. The amount you eat in your videos, that's a lot. It's a lot of food. And doesn't it harm your health? How does that work?
I have it as a side dish, you know?
Yes.
I get blood tests done regularly, like every 3 months. I have a checkup with a gastroenterologist every 6 months. There's endocrinology, there's this whole ultrasound checkup part and everything. So like I do a follow-up just to see if anything is coming out, right? Wrong and such. And lots of physical activity too.
Lots of physical activity?
Very.
Strangled from the sky. What's up, old man? The man has already eaten almost 2 kilos. Now I'm going to get picanha. I'll go get it. But it won't be picanha alone, no. I'll bring it with accompaniment. Why are you crazy? You are corrupt. I'm gonna get some picanha. Look there. I've already cleared the other board here. Look at this one now. Oh, a truly beautiful, perfectly roasted picanha with a delicious side dish. Yes then. Are you thinking? Bread, farofa, vinaigrette. Oh, how beautiful. And here's some hot sauce. I want to see if your exhaust is up to date. Let's go. 2 kilos you've already eaten.
It looks like it's just the way I like picanha. That
Picanha weighed 1 kilo and 400. There are about 600 and 700 grams of roast beef there. It weighed more than 2 kilos. The first batch is buried. 4
kilos.
4 kilos. Damn!
Now the real work begins.
How are you passing the weight? No, I will help you. Oh, come on.
To help. Look at the breach. I'm going to you. You're passing the weight. I'm scared.
I want a normal weight.
Is it hot?
Alpa World, how beautiful. Let's see. Needing some picanha, look. Good. Very good. Damn, a barbecue like this one. I could eat 5 kilos. I'm going to challenge you. It's too easy for you, Corbuchi. Yeah.
It's easy, right? So let's go. I want to see. With half, you eat even the little half.
You can't keep up with this guy, no Corbuchi. Have you ever broken any records for amount of weight? What's the most kilos you've ever eaten?
7 kilos of pasta.
You're kidding.
He's going to drink water.
You're kidding. How?
Is it pasta? With more sauce, it's easier to chew. 7 kilos of pasta. That's crazy. What did you think of my picanha sandwich?
Man, here I was thinking I was going to stuff the guy. I'm throwing a party for him. The more stuff I put in there, it's going to be this pest, Corbuchi.
This one for me is fine.
What was the absolute biggest challenge for you in this particular food quantity segment? So,
I always say that each and every food item possesses a distinctly different kind of culinary difficulty.
You just mentioned pasta a little while ago.
For example, meat is very difficult because it makes you feel full very quickly. Protein makes you feel full fast. It requires more chewing, and it's usually salty, so the salt also makes it a bit harder to eat large amounts. So things that are easier to eat are usually carbohydrates. Give me rice, cassava, pasta. Those are easier to handle. Then it gets easier. Everything you have is more liquid too. Rice, cassava.
Do you think pasta weighs a lot? 1 kilo
Of pasta is easier than 1 kilo of meat. Are you kidding? Much more.
I think that Our Lady to the pig to the ox. The ox frees up the space. Did you see the bodies, guys? Oh, crazy, man. I want the ox. You're already digging in, just missing the strip steak, the ribeye. I don't want any leftovers. I'll help you here with a little tomato. Got a little tomato? Look here, look. I don't want any of this tomato left over. Not a single little tomato. You've already scarfed down the farofa. Came for the crackling bread. But when it's time to unload all this stuff, how does that work? You must need 3 or 4 toilets, right?
I always say maybe this is something that's already gone beyond Brazil, that people mostly wonder what it's like in the bathroom, right?
No, right? Of course, yeah.
So it's all done in installments.
Oh, really?
Installments. You go little by little. So I wake up, feel like going. He has breakfast, then feels like going. Kidding? Get it? You get it?
He breaks it up.
That's good, right? That's good, right?
The glutton eats all at once, but when it's time to let it out, he does it in installments. Go back with him. Impressive, my barbecue friend. Comment down below if you have someone in your family like this guy here, because I have a gluttonous brother-in-law. But this one here, this is my grown-up world. Hey, buddy. Oh, I got a bunch of vinegar. Your plate is empty. Let me find a way to fill it up for you. Look. Oh, just a little.
Good. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Now this is the real stage.
That's the strip roast, right? It's a very tasty barbecue. Very good. Barbecue friend Kbuchi, he ate more than 4 kilos of meat right here in front of me while I'm watching. 4 kilos of meat plus farofa plus vinaigrette plus bread. Man, I'm impressed. It's really incredible. If you don't follow, if you're not subscribed to Corbuchi's channel, Kbuchi Eats, right? Go subscribe over there. This man does everything over there. It's impressive. And we're recording here in São Paulo, Santo André. At Quintal del Carne. Victor very kindly provided the space for us here, right, Corbuchi? They have a great team here. Thank you very much. And we're tasting here, look. Cachaça from Governo Brazil, aged in wonderful oak. Even this man here brought it as a gift. But I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And to you who watched us until now, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you, old man. I'm eating. The man doesn't stop eating. Thanks. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please accept our invitation. It was amazing. It's here enriching and adding value to our program. Thank you, Corbuchi.
As I would say there on my channel, that's it, guys. It's the last bit. It was really worth it. Thanks. He comes.
You are awesome. Just kidding, bro. Do you think you still have room for dessert? Oh, easily. You're kidding.
I mean,
if we got some, the show is already over, but if we got some dessert, would you really eat it? Viter, send us a dessert from the backyard. Wow. This isn't just any dessert. Look at the size of it. Damn. Do you want something even more beautiful? Simply splendid. Damn, are you really gonna eat that? Is it good? Look.
Please look at this. Afterwards, with some tea or something, it goes really well, huh? Good. Very good.
Great job, everyone, indeed.
Thank you.
I interrupted you. What were you gonna say?
Oh, I don't remember. It was something you were saying there that I caught a hook.
Oh, sorry. All right, let's go. Look, the brother-in-law here is asking if you're eating everything. Look at the brother-in-law. brother-in-law, I'm busy here. Have a little mercy, give me a hand. Bye. Okay.
He is very jealous indeed.
You really do eat for real. You don't say? I'm even gonna grab this little piece here. Was it you? The guy eats me up. No. No.